Alright, so it's printing the layer. So I'm kind of wondering, when it's cold like this, maybe I should leave the door closed. That seems like a good idea. So I'm having the same adhesion problems that I have with the other print. Let's see right there. So this is a good test. So I need to solve this. I'm using the same 50-degree temperature to start with. So. Well, it turns out this is a 2 millimeter rectangle. That's why there's so much material. So obviously, it looks like I only need about a 1 millimeter rectangle to see where this problem is. See whether it's working or not. So I can only see the first layer. So I'll have to tweak my file to only make it 1 millimeter. Save material. Although I guess as it's failing, I may as well just stop this print now and try a higher temperature. Let's do that. The other thing that's good to notice here is that the Flash print software, I assume, made this extra little line at the beginning to get rid of the blobby material coming out of the extruder. So that's nice. It does that for me. Alright, the print's starting. As you can see, the extruder is 200 degrees C and the platform is 60. So that's our new test. And we got the top, we got the door closed, and the top is off now. So we did the extra line to get rid of the blobs. Now it's doing the rectangle. So once it starts filling in, we'll zoom in for a closer look. As we can see that it's doing better. It did have that one little blobby thing that came out. But it's doing better. I might want to try 55 instead of 60. Maybe we can do that. I'm going to grab that little blobby thing. That's not going to come out. It's doing a lot better. I'm assuming that extra little blob that came up is because it was a little bit too hot. But it could, that may not be the reason. Alright, rather than go to 55, I'm going to try to go to 65 and see if I get more of that blobbing thing where it's remelting the stuff that's already on the bed. Alright, we'll send that to the printer and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we already started printing. We're 200 degrees C on the extruder and 65 on the platform. And I think the adhesion is even better than at 60. There's a little bit of rippling at the beginning. But now, it seems to really be sticking on there really well. So, I'm going to go up to, stop this print, go up to 70, which is what some websites recommend 70 for PLA. So this is the white PLA. I'm going to go ahead and go up to 70 and see if it's even better. Alright, so we're printing 200 degrees C, extruders, platform 70C. And this looks the best yet, so least amount of warping. So I'm going to go and let this print finish. A little bit of warping there. Keep it under control. I'm going to let this print finish. It's going to take about 25 minutes or so. I'll just get the whole piece finished and peel it off and see what the bottom looks like. Alright, so we're 77% done. It's doing the second layer. And it really looks solid. I like to look at that. You can hear it all the way across with very little rippling. So I think this is the new setup for me. Keep the front door closed, keep the top off, set the bed temperature to 70 degrees C for the PLA. Alright, Alright, the print is done and it looks like it's perfect. So let's peel it off. I think 1/2 millimeter is not enough to make something solid, so I'm going to have to let it peel off as a block. So I'm going to have to make it thicker than that to actually get it. Something I can pull off and have it as a solid block. Look at the bottom of this though, it looks super great. Compare that to the print I did of the all-in-one test. You can see on the right side here, it was definitely adhesion foams, and on the bottom had all this bubbling, waviness. So I'll have to decide if I want to bother to print a 1 millimeter. Actually, I probably should go back to 5 millimeters. Yeah. So I'll have to decide if I want to bother to do that. I would say at this point I'm not going to do it. I'd rather just print a temperature tower and go on from there. So when I go with ABS, I'll try the thicker one and see how that works out.